Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip archive packing or unpacking app on your BLACKVIEW A70. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app and write RAR. Hit the search button, select this app and click install. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here, grant it all file access, select the RAR app and allow access to manage all files. Now if we go back, there'll be this notification, simply press dismiss, and here the app should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.